Good morning, dear children of class 9. I hope you all are fine and keeping good health. For the past few days, we have been discussing about factorization. So today we will talk about sum or difference of two cubes. Here we shall use the following identities. So number 1, we have a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So if you multiply a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square, you will get a cube plus b cube. Second one, we have a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we will be using these two identities for the sums. Now let us see the sums. So the first example we have here, 64x cube minus 125y cube. Now 64x cube we can write it as 4x whole cube minus, and 125y cube we can write it as 5y whole cube. So we have transformed it into a cube minus b cube form, where a is equals to 4x and b is equals to 5y. So if we write the factors, then see we are getting 4x minus 5y. We are opening a curly bracket, 4x whole square plus 4x into 5y plus 5y whole square, and we are closing the bracket, since a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So for here a is equals to 4x, so a minus b, that means 4x minus 5y, a square means 4x whole square plus a into b means 4x into 5y plus, and b square means 5y whole square. Now you will open the bracket. See here, the first one as it is 4x minus 5y, and the second one we are removing the curly bracket. We are writing 16x square for 4x whole square plus 20xy for 4x into 5y plus 25y square for 5y whole square. So these are our two factors, 4x minus 5y and 16x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. Now in the second example, see we are doing a certain grouping. We are taking a cube plus b cube. So we will write the expansion for a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and plus we are writing a plus b together. The last two terms we have taken it together. Now see, I have underlined these two terms here. Now in these two terms we have a plus b common. So in curly bracket we will divide the first term by a plus b. We are getting a square minus ab plus b square plus, and when we divide a plus b by a plus b we get 1. So here our two factors are a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square plus 1. In this way you can see one more example. So in this sum also we have made a grouping. We have grouped the first two terms, and from the first two terms I have taken 2 common, and in bracket I have divided the first term by 2, so we get a cube plus 16b cube divided by 2 gives us 8b cube. Then close the bracket. Then we have taken minus 5 common, and we have divided minus 5a by minus 5, so we have got a minus 10b divided by minus 5 has given us plus 2b, so close the bracket. Now see, a cube plus 8b cube we can write it as a whole cube plus, and 8b cube we can write it as 2b whole cube. Then we have kept minus 5 into a plus 2b. So here 2 into, we are taking a plus 2b, and in curly bracket a square minus a into 2b plus 2b whole square, then close the curly bracket according to our identity, this identity, minus 5 into a plus 2b. Now see, 2 into a plus 2b into a square minus 2ab plus 4b square minus 5 into a plus 2b. So here I have underlined this one and I have underlined this one, which shows that these are the two different terms. Now in these two terms, if you see, you can see that a plus 2b is common. So in curly bracket I will divide this first term by a plus 2b, so we get 2 into a square minus 2ab plus 4b square minus, and when we divide this second term by a plus 2b we get 5. So put 5 and then close the curly bracket. So we have a plus 2b into 2a square minus 4ab plus 8b square minus 5. In this way you can go through the examples given in your textbook ICSE Understanding Mathematics Book 9 by ML Agarwal, and you can practice the sums from exercise 4.5. But before doing the sums, please go through the examples thoroughly which are given in your textbook. Thank you.